Hello, it's Greg with GL Robotics. I got a quick video for you here. Sometimes on your Mingda printers, your LED output, your screen, quits working. Typically these do not go bad, and so I wanted to give you a couple quick tips to help you get back up and running. The most common cause of the screen going blank is that this connection gets loose right here. And the way you can take a look at that is take your knife and you can flip this up. It's got a little black lever that flips up, and then this comes out, and it comes out pretty easily. And during travel, or if you're moving your printer back and forth to get it where you print, or to where you store it or whatever, this thing can come loose. And so you just simply want to flip that black connector up, and then just make sure this is firmly pushed down in there. And then once you do that, you can flip it, secure it back up, and you can check it on both ends. It works the same on both ends, but typically it's on this breakout board here. And so just take a look at that. And generally when we get them in here and people say they're not working, I take the bottom off the printer, take a look at that, plug it back in for them, and send them back on their way. So again, if you have any questions, you need any help, please reach out to us here at GL Robotics. That's glroboticsusa.com. Thank you.